Hello, magandang umaga. Good morning, Pilipinas. So, here we are at the farm. Today is early Thursday morning. It's a cloudy day, and we will be planting carrots today. Ito po yung view sa aming lugar this early Thursday morning, a foggy morning. So, ganyan po yung buhay ng farmer. So, we are here to clean up yet early today the onions, and that's plantation of tomato also. Ganyan po yung farmland, buhay probinsya sa Pilipinas. So maglilinis tayo muna habang wala pang masyadong init ng araw. So this is how we are doing. Lilinis tayo ng farm para hindi siya madumi. So, ganyan ang buhay ng farmer sa probinsya. Iba-iba po yung tinatanim sa aming lugar. So, it's not all same variety of high value crops or vegetable. And most of the people here now are planting different kinds of vegetables because it's rainy season. So, farm that are not, who are not, those don't have any available source of irrigation is mostly rainfield or ulan yung gamit nilang pandilig sa mga taniman. So, kumusta naman ang mga buhay-buhay dyan sa ating mga ka-farmers dyan, sa ating mga ka-or-orat dyan? Sana napintas nga nagbagas. Good lovely morning sa lahat. So, yan po yung situation. Wala pa si init. Siguro late siyang magpapakita dahil sa foggy morning. But it's okay. The day is okay. Not that the cold, not that hot. So, it's nice to be at the farm. Such a way. Such the situation. So, nice. So, thank you for watching. And God bless everyone. Thank you.